Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Google Drive login issues, permission, and sync errors step by step clearly. First, check your internet connection by opening a few websites and switching between Wi-Fi and mobile hotspot to confirm it is stable. Next, verify your device date and time are set to automatic, because wrong time can break Google sign-in. Now, restart your device to clear temporary network and app glitches. Then, confirm you are using the correct Google account by signing out and signing back in carefully. After that, open a private or incognito window and try to log into Google Drive to rule out cache session problems. If it works in incognito, clear your browser cache and cookies for Google domains and try again. Disable browser extensions like ad blockers, script blockers, or VPN extensions, because they can block Google login pages. Update your browser to the latest version, since outdated browsers can cause authentication errors. If you are on the Google Drive mobile app, update the app from the App Store or Google Play. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Drive, Storage, and tap Clear Cache to fix sync and loading issues. On iPhone, uninstall and reinstall Google Drive to refresh the app data when the issue persists. If you see you don't have permission, confirm the file owner shared it with your exact email address and not a different account. Ask the owner to resend access and choose the correct permission level, such as viewer, commenter, or editor. Check that you are not signed into multiple Google accounts and opening the link with the wrong account. If the link opens in the wrong account, switch accounts in the top right profile menu and reload the page. For shared drives, confirm you are a member of that shared drive, because direct file links may still require membership. If the file is in a company or school account, contact the admin because sharing can be restricted by organization policy. To fix Google Drive desktop sync errors, open Google Drive for desktop and ensure you are signed in to the right account. Pause and resume syncing from the Drive for desktop menu to restart the sync process. Check available disk space, because low storage can stop syncing and cause repeated errors. Confirm the sync folder path is valid and the folder still exists. Then choose the correct folder and preferences if needed. Look for blocked files with unsupported characters and rename files that include symbols like // asterisk. Temporarily disable antivirus or firewall scanning for the Drive sync folder to test if security software is blocking sync. If files are stuck, quit Google Drive for desktop completely and reopen it. Then wait a few minutes for re-indexing. If syncing still fails, unlink the account in Drive for desktop settings and link it again to rebuild the connection. Check Google Workspace status dashboard to see if there is an outage affecting Drive, login, or syncing. As a final fix, change your Google password and review recent security activity in your Google account to remove suspicious sessions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.